Lakhipur Online Putok Saba Mars ki tang taramapan Sagol se numit ki Khomjinba Pao tabirasi Ahan bada maroi Pao Kasar da ing tapna aki akhang leitana mikal pangthok nanaba police na akan bachaksel thorang lokot kre BJP na makoi ki mapung phaba candidate ki list ngasi numit yung mapung tarani thoi tapa matam da lauthok lagani Tripura lengak na Manipuri lon gi basic knowledge amasung maitai mayek masakhangan bagi workshop ama pangthok kre Gangtok ta pangthok ko dori ba Sikkim International Film Festival da Manipuri film bungna miyam gi pungning singsin ga dori Orissa gi hospital maisak pagi thodokta sibami gi masing tarani thoi sukre opposition na haksel mantri pham thadok na madabi tawkre amasung assembly mikal gi mangoi na Congress ki MP Pradyut Bordoloi BJP da yaukre Hojik mapungoi Pao tabirase Lakliba Bidhan Sabha Mikhal ga mari leinana Kasar jila da ingtapna aki akhang leitana mikhal gi thabak thoram sing pangthok nana bagi pandamda lokhaliba sexual thorang singi matangda Kasar jila gi senior SP Sanjib Saikiana leibak popa numita paumi singda maroi ba wafam kaya phongdokre jila asigi assembly constituency tareta santi oina mikhal pangthok nana bagi matik chaba CAPF ki kangbo jila asida jawrakre haire Kasar jila asi Meghaloi Mizoram Manipur amasung jumlo na balaipak Bangladesh ka ngangkoi sabnaba na maram oiraga chathok chasin gi matangda kupna yengsili haike mikhal ga mari leinana ain kaiba thabak thoram sing chathaba thengnarabadi miyamna police ki helpline number 6026900678 number asida pau phaurakna ba Kasar jila gi senior SP Sanjib Saikian phongdokre
We have, as you know, we have 7 constituencies in the Kasar district. Our Hapta constituency is assembly constituency. In 7 constituencies altogether, we have around 1732 polling stations. Already received a component of the security forces for deployment in the polling station as well as for other law and order duties. Ami already paisu, Barak companies, and some companies we are expecting more. So we have sufficient force to be deployed. We are expecting a very good election in the days to come. For conduct of elections, our area dominations already arambho hoy goise. All 7 constituencies, CAPF aru Assam Police ekeloge log lagi pelai ami already deployment arambho kori disu. I would like to mention a number which we like to which have already released, wherein you can watch up regarding any complaint in respect of the elections. I mean any mischievous post, any post with hate or any post which attracts election offences. The number is 60269 00678. I repeat, 60269 00678. Having gun licenses, they will have to deposit their weapons. In fact, this process is going on and we are likely to finish it within this week. Except those people who granted exemptions by the district commissioners, like
Lakliba Assam Bidhan Sabha Mikhal ga mari leinana Rajniti gi dol singna makoi gi candidate singi ming lauthokpa Mikhal gi campaign amasung nomination pisin bagi thabak leptana chathari BJP na makoi gi candidate ki list ngasi numit yung mapung tarani thoi tapadal lauthokani hairi Mikhal asida Congress na Assam Jatiya Parishad AJP APHLC amasung CPIML dol singa chungsin aduna thorakli tongan ba dol singna makoi gi lauthokraba candidate singi manungda Assam Jatiya Parishad na pham 9 AIUDF na pham 12 UPPL na pham 8 CPIML na pham 2 aduga Aam Aadmi Party na pham 13 amasung Raijor Dol na pham 13 gi makoi gi candidate ki ming lauthokre BPF na makoi gi list hayeng irai nimit lauthokani haina BTC Chief Hagrama Mohilari na khangan khre Tripura lengak na minority loan sing maroina Manipuri loan jokan na bagi laukot pakhongtang ama oina Bangla mayekta Manipuri loan gi basic knowledge amasung Maitai mayek masakhangan bagi workshop ama pangthokre Basic knowledge of Maitai mayek and spelling method of Manipuri writing using Bengali script hai bahiram asida Directorate of Kokborok and other minority language na sinduna Agartala gi Kokborok Learning Center da workshop asi pangthokibani Mars ki tang tara turuk tagi taranipan phawa pangthokna ba thaurang tawkiba workshop asigi haudokpagi thoromda loisang asigi director yauna official sing amasung expert sing sarukjakhi workshop asida maruaina maitei mayeki expert Koistam Mongol Singhana mayek masak khangan bagi aroi pa thaudang lobikhe thorom asida miyoi kun mangaram na sarukjakhi haina Agartala dagi phangma pawa sina hairi Gangtok ta pangthokodoriba Sikkim International Film Festival da Manipuri film bungna miyam gi pungning singsingadori leibak asigi sagnaraba film maker sing sarukja bagaloinana numit marini chumna pangthokodaba Sikkim International Film Festival ngasidagi Sikkim gi konung Gangtok ta haudoklagani Information and Public Relations Department na NMDC ga kusamna duna Mars ki tang 18 dagi 19 phawa pangthokodaba thoromasida Saknairaba Bollywood director Imtiaz Ali Sarukjagadori Thoromasigi haudokpagi nimita mahakna The Art of Storytelling in Films haiba master class haudokani Festival asigi pandamdi Sikimbu film tourism amasung creative exchange ki lamdangda mangjil thaba mafam ama oyenmani Festival asigi maroiba sarukama oina BAFTA award fanglaba Lakshmi Priya Debina direction pipa Manipuri film bungna film asida miyam gi pungning singsin gadawri festival asida maming lairaba Nepal gi boxi amasung Keralam gi enomi na chingba film sing yauri tongan wala bak 18 gi film nipuni thoiromna festival asida utkadawri Lakhipur Kendra gi Congress Mirep Maimom Santi Kumar gi damak Jiribam gi District Congress Committee DCC gi team mama Lakhipur da laktuna mahaki pungning thawat khre Jiribam DCC ki President K.A. Santi Kumar ki Luching Makha da lakhiba team maduda General Secretary Biralal Tikendra amasung JYCC Working President Tomthinganba Sarukjakhi loinana Poilapul da Maimom Santi Kumar ka unaduna kumnawari watai sanakhi Thoromaduda Lakhipur gi Congress worker Sinam Manimon yauna atopa team members singa phaminaduna election management amasung kanglon sigi matangda K.A. Santi Kumar na khananena kibakaloinana makhatana ngamjaba mateng su pangkegani hairi aroibata T.S. Manikumar Singhana thoromaduda lakiba miyambu tawbimal khangba utke SBC Medical College amasung Hospital da thokiba maichakpagi thodokatuda leikidaba mi ki masing tarani thoi sukre thodokatuda makhatana layeng liba mi mari leikidabani hairi Mars ki tang 13 ki numidang da khanghaudana thokiba maisakpagi thodokasina Rajya sigi opposition party singna akanba ihau chatharakpaga loinana Haksel Mantri ki pham thadongna badabi tawkhre Rajya Sarkar na mai hobagi maramadu awang mathakta tijinaba khangan khre mai adu high dependency unit amada short circuit thoropadi haurakpani haina chingnari Lagliba April ki tang 8 da pangthokodaba Assam Assembly Mikhal gi manghoinana achauba rajniti gi ahongba mawaina Congress ki Lok Sabha MP Pradyut Bordoloi ngarang Mars ki tang 19 da BJP da yaukre Nagaon gi MP asibu Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma State BJP President Dilip Saikia amasung atopa senior leader singna taramna okhi MP anirak oikraba amasung Assam ki Congress lenga ki makada minister oikiba Bordoloi bu Lakliba Mikhalasida BJP ki candidate oina recommend tawragani haikre Lakhipur online channel asibu yengbiri basingna pawa sibu like amati share tawbiu amati hojik phawa channel asibu subscribe tawbidri basingna subscribe tawbiu Khangan jabama Barak Tampak ta ahanba oina hotel management ta bachelor program haure course asina isana isabu thabak pijaba ngamhanbata natana maming leiraba hotel singda thabak tawbagi khudong chaba leigani 12 pass taraba miyoi singna course asi tamba yagani hotel la thabak tawriba singna su on job training oina Vivo hotel management degree program asi tamba yagani UGC na sakhanglaba Lingias Bidapit University na mai paglaba singda certificate pigani certificate asina sarkar gi thabak loinana MBOC tamthabagi Bharat pumbada valid oigani chahi asigi January session ge admission authorized study center oiriba Elite Institute of Hotel Management Rani Bosti Ambikapoti opposite Ramanus College Silchar da mingchanba hore. Institute asigi mahiroi singda Silchar gi maming leraba Hotel Sagarika Regency da practical training pigani. Akupa marul gi damak mobile number 8822890441 number asida pau phobi namba hairi. Aroi bada maru oiba pau amukhanna kasar da ing tapna aki akhang leitana mikhal pangthokna naba police na akan bachaksel thorang lokot khre BJP na makoi ki mapung phaba candidate ki list ngasi numit yung mapung tarani thoi tapa matam da lauthok lagani Tripura lengak na Manipuri lon gi basic knowledge amasung maitai mayek masakhangan bagi workshop ama pangthok khre Gangtok ta pangthok ko dori ba Sikkim International Film Festival da Manipuri film bungna miyam gi pungning singsin ga dori Orissa gi hospital maisak pagi thodok ta sibami gi masing tarani thoi sukre opposition na haksel mantri pham thadok na madabi tawkre amasung assembly mikhal gi mangoi na Congress ki MP Pradyut Bordoloi BJP da yaukre Lakhipur Online YouTube channel gi pau sandok chaba ngasigi oinadi matang asidaloi jare